All right, so this is a suggestion via a donation. The name of the song is guys, I'm not even going to attempt to say the name of this video, guys. We're just going to go ahead and jump into it. If you click this link, you most likely know what this is. If you don't know what this is, great. We both don't know what this is. So we're just going to go ahead and encounter whatever this is. It looks like there's like an orchestra. I see a harp. But let's go. Let's just do this, guys. We're here for this. Wait a second. Okay, so yeah, I definitely know who this is. I have no idea this man's name. I know that I see him when I see these symbols. Okay. I think he sang a song, Muslim something. Right? Right, let's get it. Apologies. He sings very well. Okay. Listen to the depth of his vocal. I love that singular piano. That build-up is phenomenal. Right. Where we going? Where we going with this? Nice clean flourishes. Okay, guys, really quickly, let me go ahead and just gush over his vocal for a second. I think vocally he's phenomenal. Okay, just completely. His tone is perfection. His ability to reach the depths of basically hell in terms of his vocal. He is super deep, guys, and clear. His pronunciation is also phenomenal, I'm sure. I have no idea, again, what he is saying, but how clearly he is delivering each and every single vowel here. It tells me that he is an absolutely breathtaking individual to actually encounter, if you could ever encounter this in real life. By looking at this video, it definitely looks like it's an older video. So I have no idea what time period this was in, but bro, he's an amazing classical singer. This looks to be Russian, guys, most likely the language. So, all right, let's continue. Let's do it. I wish I could find his name in English.
Сквозь синюю вечность летят до земли.
It also sounds like it may have, like how it sounds like being recorded. It feels like this may have been like the 70s, the 80s, guys.
Летят до земли. Море навстречу.
Oh, bro, his name is... Okay, hold on, guys. His name is Muslim Muhammad. That is his name. What is this that we're listening to? He lived a very, very long life. He's from Azerbaijan. But I'm guessing he resided pretty heavily in Russia. He expired in 2008 at 66 years old in Moscow. He has a daughter. All right, let's do it. Now I know a little bit about him. Wow, dude. We have horns? Oh my God. All right, guys, I want to go ahead and point out a couple of things here. All right. When it comes to music like this, I'm generally super attracted to gigantic bands, even orchestras, and people who do have the ability to sing in the manner that he just sang in here. So as I'm reading a little bit more about him while we're listening to his music, guys, apparently he has been dubbed the Soviet Sinatra. Guys, if you've followed my channel, all right, you guys should definitely know I grew up almost exclusively listening to two artists, all right? Frank Sinatra, along with Notorious B.I.G., a rapper, guys, right? So this has basically been my life. I'm sitting here wondering, like, why is his vocal so attractive to me? Because he's apparently the Soviet Sinatra. All right. Well, listen, sir, you better be on Apple Music because you're going to be on my revolving playlist going forward, okay? I love this. The name of the song, I'm guessing, is. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce this, guys. To me, it reads. I'm gonna try. For me, I'm gonna read it in English. It looks like it says, "Oh mopey, mopey," but for me, that means like sadness, like he's moping. But that's not what it means. I'm sure. You see what I'm saying here, guys? I don't know. It's beautiful. I love this. I love it a lot. So definitely, please continue to send me, suggestions regarding this man, because something tells me that he may absolutely, in fact, become somewhat of a mainstay over here, guys. All right? But all right, listen, you guys all have an absolutely amazing day. Enjoy your day thoroughly. And if you guys are new here, please like and subscribe. This is my lightsaber. Hey, guys. You guys subscribe to the other channels? Logical Movie Reviews with Mr. L. Boyd, along with Mr. L. Boyd Music. Oh, also, Mr. L. Boyd Discusses. Guys, check it out. And if you haven't heard it today, it's amazing.